Fat Boy here checking in. I'm gonna do a little lunchtime demo for my YouTube channel. And for you that don't know, I am running 2 Team Resilient Sound 15s, 135 pound subs, 4-inch 8-layer American coil, and each one of them is on an Incriminator Audio 30.1 at half ohm. Custom Electric Services 80 amp hour LTO black box, brand X for the win, and it's being powered by a 270 Custom Electric large case alt. And here we go. We're gonna do some maximum bass music, cheerleader, 24 hertz.
Solution is my queen, cause she stays strong. Yeah, she is always in my corner, right there when I wanna. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. And they say, do you need me? Do you think I'm pretend? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause do you need me? Do you think I'm pretend? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause
Somebody dicked me at the show. A pink dick on the windshield. Thanks, Conda Greg, asshole.